We are fortunate to have a well-diversified economy. No single sector contributes more than 30% of GDP. And therefore, it presents opportunities for investments across a number of sectors. According to the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics, GDP numbers for Q3 of 2024 indicate that only two sectors contracted, and that is mining and also construction.
If you look at the construction sector, it's actually declining and actually contracting. And that's largely because of two factors. Number one, the fiscal challenges the government is facing suggest that they don't have the external capital or funding to invest in new infrastructure projects. But number two, the delayed payments to road contractors is also creating a concern with regards to new investment in construction.
On the plus side, we saw almost all sectors expand. Of particular note would be accommodation and food services, which grew the largest. We also had growth in real estate, in manufacturing, in agriculture.
What we noticed is that the fertilizer subsidy that the government provided is actually over and above the fact that the weather has been favorable and conducive for agriculture productivity, has actually supported the agriculture subsector growth to the point that we're now growing at a faster rate than we did between 2018 and 2022.
Public-private partnerships will be a key anchor for growth and continued investment. Like we may all be aware of, trade is one of those areas that facilitate growth. And to get trade going, one needs infrastructure like roads, rail, airports, ports, and the like. And those tend to be very large investments. It is not only in this country that private-public partnerships have contributed to growing infrastructure. It is also in others that we've seen, both in the continent and outside the continent. And we see PPPs, as they are commonly known, playing a key role, not only in the near term, but also in the long term, to spur growth.
If you look at 2025, the political calendar is a bit light, but we still think that domestic politics and geopolitics could still be a thorn in the pathway for economic prosperity in the rich or advanced world.
We live in a connected world. Not only do macroeconomic events in the country impact investment, but also those that happen outside of the country or of the continent.